Mule Ears Trail here today. Here, 2 miles total. I think it's 1 mile out and 1 mile back. I believe.
2 miles out and 2 miles back.
Oh, 2 miles out and 2 miles back. I stand corrected here. Oh, we did a little climb here. See some other people out on the trail, and yeah, nice vista. Look at the trail.
Nice view of the Mule Peaks out there.
Are those our people?
I know, that's some folks that beat us to the parking lot.
Okay, all right. We're on the move here. I'm going to try to do a little video on the trail here while I'm walking, but I'm still going to watch my every step here. A little muddy up here. Not too muddy though. Look at that view down there. Just nice here. No wind. It's a little warm. Getting a little warm already here with the sun out. Makes all the difference in the world here. Because if it was cloudy like the other days, it was a little cooler. But we appreciate the sun. Sun is always good. All right. I better turn this off so I can concentrate on the trail up ahead here. Out there.
Let's take a water break, team. Water break.
Just out here. We're coming down here. Rocks. You like rocks? You got them right here.
We got you rocks.
There you go. All your rocks that you can possibly want are right here on the trail. Okay.
Some little green leaves. You cut it open, you get a blood red sap. Locals, old timers would call it blood root. And Mexican healers who perform minor cures out of their houses, called curanderas or curanderos, would use this blood root, the red sap, like Orajel. A few years ago, I had some friends visit from Tennessee. One got a toothache. I was like, cool, let's go to OJ, Mexico. Got a dentist. He was like, no. We went to the store to look for Orajel. They didn't have it. So I got us some leather stem. I tried it myself. My whole mouth was numb, but it was so bitter in flavor, I'm sure you forgot you even had toothache in the first place.
Well, still on the trail. Still going up, up, up. No breeze. I forgot my neck fan. Big mistake. Left it on the bus. Alright, gotta take a few stops here. Okay. Oh, we're up at the corral here. See if this was the old entrance here. I don't know. A lot of cactus growing in there. They piled up a lot of rocks here. Did a pretty nice job though. For a good corral. Look at the rocks all piled up over there. And there's supposed to be a spring up there, so they had the corral here for the animals. They could feed them there, whatever. Look pretty good. All right. They said there's rattlesnakes there, so I'm walking out. Unbit, which is good. All right. Back on the trail. Well, you can probably tell we're getting near the spring because the cactus are huge here. So there must be like lots more water, lots more green or greenery in here. So look at these cactus here. I don't want to fall into these guys here. Yeah, there's the old cactus. Back on the trail here. Oh, brushed up against me, but didn't get any spines. And I'm in shorts. Okay, gotta watch where I'm going here. Made it to the spring here, but it's right in back of me. Can't really see it. It's like 20 feet away, but it's all overgrown with trees and everything. But I showed you the cactus on the way down here. And like I said, I forgot my fan. I would have been a lot cooler here. But at least on the way back, it's mostly downhill. There's some more uphills. But we'll take a little rest here and get back online then. All right, see you later. Well, the spring is back in there somewhere. All overgrown with trees, soaking up all the water. So can't show it to you, but it's in there somewhere. If I hike through the brambles or whatever, I might be able to see it, but I'm not going to do that. All right. Okay, we're coming back from the spring. Like I said, it's going to be mostly downhill. There's a little bit of a breeze now, because when we were coming up, the breeze, if there was one, was behind us, so you wouldn't feel it. Now it feels nice, a little breeze here, so the kid might be a little better going back. All right, got to watch what I'm doing here. Bye-bye. Well, here's the vista view on the trail. Rest of our travelers down there. Look at all these mountains here. Hiking along here. Nobody else around here, so this is pretty good here. All right. And here we're back on the trail. You can see the nice view all the way out there. Mountains off in the distance there. All right, there you go. Well, back on the trail, picking them up, putting them down. Shadow Man is on the trail too. Good to have Shadow Man with you. And we're heading down here. We got some more people coming up here. Okay.